Death is the destiny of everyone. The living should take this to heart. Ecclesiastes 7:2.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Life and Death was written by Ann Cetus and read by Rochelle Traub.
Ecclesiastes chapter 7, verses 1 through 10. A good name is better than fine perfume, and the day of death better than the day of birth. It is better to go to a house of mourning than to go to a house of feasting, for death is the destiny of everyone. The living should take this to heart. Frustration is better than laughter, because a sad face is good for the heart. The heart of the wise is in the house of mourning, but the heart of fools is in the house of pleasure. It is better to heed the rebuke of a wise person than to listen to the song of fools. Like the crackling of thorns under the pot, so is the laughter of fools. This, too, is meaningless. Extortion turns a wise person into a fool, and a bribe corrupts the heart. The end of a matter is better than its beginning, and patience is better than pride. Do not be quickly provoked in your spirit, for anger resides in the lap of fools. Do not say, "Why were the old days better than these?" For it is not wise to ask such questions. Life and Death, written by Ann Cetus. Besides attending ceremonies and signing policies after taking the oath of office, new U.S. presidents are greeted with a cold reality. They start making their own funeral plans. That way, the country will be prepared to celebrate their lives when they die. George H.W. Bush was asked if it was weird to be planning his own memorial. He replied, "You kind of get used to it." Historians will write about their legacies, but presidents get to plan the personal and traditional parts of their services and the ways they will be remembered. Death is a sobering reality we all must face. In the book of Ecclesiastes, King Solomon, who searched for the meaning of life in pleasure, work, and knowledge, and came up empty, said, "It is better to go to a house of mourning than to go to a house of feasting." Negative situations give more perspective than happy times. If we face the reality of death, we can better prepare for what comes after. Verse 2 adds, "Death is the destiny of everyone. The living should take this to heart." We should ponder it and plan on it. Preparation comes from receiving forgiveness of sin from Jesus, who died for us and rose again. Everyone dies because death came when the first man, Adam, disobeyed God, and we have followed his ways. But everyone who belongs to Christ will be given new life. Let's pray. Lord Jesus, you conquered death and give eternal life to all who believe in you. Help us live with wisdom, preparing our hearts for what comes after this life. May we honor you daily, trusting your promise to present us holy and blameless in your sight. It's in your name that we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How have you prepared to face death? How do you want to be remembered?
الترقاق بلنور بيلار العربي كلب سي أمبو لايكا جدل سير سأريلا هارت سأريلا هاي بلاد سأريلا ستروك سأريلا سوكال سأريلا كاسينوما مسأريلا غاوت malmut terbebira diakan mukal seel. Pembungil melil tagal mongang. Engkal mongang amu la diakan mukal seelem mas maluben seer belaur elang. Omgalela laog ngidil laog adi mu la rokuil diakan mukal seer belaur elang. bumadu almali bakalaw karakalim, adya kalmukal si erbelaw elang, adis arelalaw. Moli ibu osngi maralaw, intom balaw, yos araw.
Kaya kita mo tretele lang tamayol, tamasbelbele along iruluryor, email kung singilong email boil, malmutra sa bato. Mapatamas ratol, ang closer tutar, ang namoy tatri medal mong AI clock, almost 7.4 feet. Mungkin kreatol at talyal sils, ang namoy tokte mewal mong edel clock, almost 2.3 feet. Lumuto mo closer akap singin, ang namoy toko am ewitel mong edel clock, almost 6.6 feet. Ang erul ka karel dol, ang moring ina mututar, ang namoy ta edel mong edel clock, almost 4.5 feet. Ang altasil sa kapsangay, am namoy tatry matal mong elol milklok, ang asalasil sa tutrak luku, am namoy toko am ewitel mong milklok. Ako tamababagklan de altasil sa amabdulo kay elol mitigwis. Ngeda karmer, mang masabi kapsangay, am namoy ta etil mong milklok. El altasil, sanjay ka bilbring lasil sa, mabanggel ako albasan talte elalaul, lama adarum ka, rastal darum ka. At rulilal tangara ongos, murtre elol, milmavulatrum erul mara talchikang. At averka almol, langar erul sa kamakal didyul. At asar mavula dilusungos, langar ewang, muraiman sa kamakal didyul. Akap singe, yung mumusin talaga patulayang, at yung mumukil ako dilbasan te elalaul, lamatarum ka. Rulilal tamaratim sungos, murtre elol, milmavulatrum erul mara talchikang. At averka almol, langar erul sa kamakal didyul, at asar mavula dilusungos, ang redel mo ay sa kamakal didyul. Ang edel urior, ang mo yung kabelbring lasil, sa maral mo sindri ka patulayang adara mo sa kapsangay, mo banggalo ko del basen del telelaul, lamatas tal darum ka. At rulalal tamaradim sungos, sa marmurtre elol, milmumdulatrum erul mara tal chikang. At awar ka almol, langar erul sa kamakal didyul. At asar mo bdula dilus sungos, langar edel mo rewal sa kamakal didyul. Ang ewal urior, ang mo sindri ka patulayang, at mo banggalo ilbasen del telelaul. Pero ilalal tamor ongos, ay marmurtre elol, milmumdulatrum erul mara tal chikang. At awar ka almol, langar erul sa kamakal didyul. At asar mo bdula dilus sungos, langar edel mo rewal sa kamakal didyul. Ang game lurior, ang mo sindri ka patulayang, at mo banggalo ilbasen del telelaul. At ilalal tamor ang abar, ay marmurtre elol, milmumdulatrum erul mara tal chikang. At awar ka almol, langar erul sa kamakal didyul. At asar mo bdula dilus sungos, langar ewang, at mo elol sa kamakal didyul. Asabado, yung mo sindri ka patulayang, ay mo banggalo ko del basen del telelaul. At ilalal tamor atim snabar, ay marmurtre elol, milmumdulatrum erul mara tal chikang. At awar ka almol, langar erul sa kamakal didyul. At asar mo bdula dilus sungos, langar ewang, at mo elol sa kamakal didyul. Dalmili ng singar ako del forecast, dalmili mo sa kansol nga rahinay. Kamal masawlin mo ito.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com. This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 3 each SUVs and 1 each flatbed truck for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after May 13, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940, phone 680-767-2552, fax 680-767-1016, email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by CIP account NTWN CIP Admin 2025. Invitation for bid number IFB 17-26. Public notice is April 28, 2026 to May 13, 2026. Bidding period is May 14, 2026 to June 15, 2026. Opening date will be June 16, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on June 15, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. Invitation for bids, April 20th, 2026. The public is hereby informed that the Palau Visitors Authority will be soliciting sealed bids from interested buyers for the following: 2006 Toyota Light Ace 2-door flatbed, silver. VIN number KM70-1004534. Mileage 115,887 kilometers. Opening bid will start at $500. Purchase will be as is and where is. Bidding period will be April 20th, 2026 to May 4th, 2026. Opening date will commence May 5th, 2026. For more information regarding this notice, please contact Schechter Hector, Procurement Officer at Palau Visitors Authority at telephone 488-2793, 488-1930, or email schechter@pristine.pw.
2026 Development Symposium. The Ministry of Finance is pleased to invite you to the 2026 Palau Development Symposium, a key event in our annual calendar. Please join us on a 3-day event starting Tuesday to Thursday, May 26th to the 28th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The symposium represents a milestone in Palau's development journey, bringing together government agencies, community leaders, youth, elders, and international partners to collectively reflect on and advance our nation's economic, fiscal, and technological progress. This event is open to the public, and we would greatly appreciate your attendance. For more details, please contact us at 680-488-4441, extension 3074, or via email at mofpalauevents@gmail.com. We look forward to welcoming you to a day of insightful discussions. Thank you. Awis ra Ministry of Finance akman mga madawar adrabalu mabuhay elmerti altobet silondi bringi la 2026 Palau Development Symposium. Almorngir ang erulurior luim elon malmo ang ewalurior alnya luim eyal kapsingil ang emilbuil. Lomur al klora tutaw almoy maklora kapsingay elmorngir ang amayong cultural center. Tialondi walang la asmeril murabalu mabuhay magikmal mga madawar kaol may. At sumama mamuyilom so del ang sabem lom kadong 680-488-4441, extension 3074, maluwag ka email ra mofpalauevents@gmail.com. Malmsulang.
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for an external evaluator for the Career and Technical Education and Adult Education Grant for project year 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by CTE, BOC Ed Grant, a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/rfp-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-30. Public notice is from May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening will be on June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide consultation and deliver a system of care development workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/rfp-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-32. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening will commence June 16th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide alcove model workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/rfp-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-33. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening June 16th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide an autism spectrum disorder workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-34. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening June 17th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide a peer-to-peer youth training workshop. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by Health Resources and Services Administration Federal Fund. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 15th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-35. Public notice April 30th, 2026 through May 14th, 2026. Bidding period is May 15th, 2026 through June 15th, 2026. Proposals opening June 17th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide service as a school counseling consultant for Palau Schools Counseling Program for the project year March to September 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the CTE AED grant a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days, as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-36. Public notice is May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period is May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for a workforce and business educational partnership to assist the Ministry of Education by providing professional development and entrepreneurial skills for PHS career and technical education teachers. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by the CTE VOC ED grant, a federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18, 2026. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2026-37. Public notice May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening is June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions for an instructional coach to assist the Ministry of Education in conducting a special education instructional coach teacher induction program for new and all special education teachers for project year 2026. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The requested services will be fully funded by the MOE Special Education Program federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on May 18th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-38. Public notice May 1st, 2026 through May 17th, 2026. Bidding period, May 18th, 2026 through June 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening, June 3rd, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury, at the Finance Building in Koror, or the Executive Building in Ngerdubech Milkfish. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. Are you craving fresh, delicious fish? Looking for the perfect ingredient for your next meal? Then look no further. Ngerdubech Milkfish is bringing you fresh, high-quality milkfish. Get your hands on premium milkfish, perfect for grilling, frying, or however you love to cook it. Available bone-in for just $4 a pound. And for extra convenience, we also offer boneless milkfish for a small additional deboning charge. Don't miss out. You can start placing your orders starting on May 1st, then mark your calendars May 6th with pickup available starting at 2 p.m. Pick up your fresh milkfish at the drop-off bar and grill. To place your order, call us at 587-1289, 587-5070. That's for calls only. Or for your convenience, you can text or call 778-5156. Fresh milkfish from Ngerdubech. Available for pickup on May 6th at the drop-off bar and grill. Order yours starting May 1st. Call 587-1289, 587-5070, or text call 778-5156.
Devel subdra godal maaldu. Devel subdra godal maaldu lotobdringangir turong chan Sugiyama. May other may Eliayob, Abbas Paul Uegi, Mamial Bascasio Oitrong, El Morarbek Admam, Magimgalding El Adrabab Mayoldaob, El Girelas Relangalged, Etargidra Kennard Sugiyama, El Kmo Mlamosmer, Mabdingelangaramorg, Emnirameldil Seals. Mlamotrok Lameldil, Maaldadu, El Mornira May 15, 2026, Longeim Lurior, El Dimora Santos Borja Funeral Home. Medivo Modngay, Edongirakmang Tegomakail Subd, El Dimoyaguriw, Logiutial Radio Station. Kompmal Masulang, Yarubakal Dios, Lomaknaltangatargid Rogui. Signed, Ngirturong Chan Sugiyama, I other May Eliayob.
Subdra Maldira sa adu ito. Tia subdra tawdra nga iad kang itsuaw, manginat milol denis ito, mamark mabel rakablira sa adu rataliw. Rabliliol subdra rogul dri rakamaldila sa adu ito, almlamot rok lumorngina sa batong Saturday, aletiw ngopsingil o ngayimilbuila, May 9, 2026. Kamaldila di morngina ablil o odar rakadwin ito, alngarapula tiul rakarbeed. Mang motodra mor ra 8 a.m. ratutaw, almarablil o odar rakadwin ito, imang maldil mo 12 p.m. ito, almorafiseristak, Emran murabliliol murtawa rablil ngara ngiti iruret tal sigang el top del mur olgul yar adal mutros siul sils magim subdar kamil mam ngara galbelu memin dalim das masmiing gal targid el madi busra dronlet ngara longa gim subdar ya adrabut el bay frank malsol mo subdar adad marngalga ngara da gim subdar gard dra itrilio takamangloy o daol mitsuhi de subris koel dulei subris spedea madrangabot tami mngsao junior meibira meron stominaruo mo subdar bibir gid marngalga Ayragim sobra di Lubay at na Igartang Raymond, Elizabeth Igartang, Omicol Igartang, Carol Ngiraidis, mo sobra bibir kami umarangal ka. Aram lang agim sobra si Les Ngiralolo kama Apollonia Siprit, mo sobra at marangal ka. Ngiwalagim sobra ngirudil Benito Obak, madirudil Torismath, mo sobra bibir kami umarangal ka. Miligagim sobra ngalgil Osegra Gloria Quaselin, madil Mers Olgril, parang ngalgil ang ngiraibab, Radong ngiraibab, mga tuat ngiraibab, Mama Bel ngiraibab, Memusukmam. Oriora kim subdari adra mai Eliayob elbir rakum segundina suma mo subdara bibir kamiu marangal Francis Merm ob Olinda Mer adachi mo subdara bibir kamiu marangal agol turgal qalbilung Marcia ogada melmen ngalgem raidere che ogada mar bibir ngim ngasumam magal Maria Otto Joseph mo subdara ngalga ngalgila madal Saralo Jackson ridep ngirangas mo subdara bibir gaw ngalgila yung ranginot kabuy hop kurom ebirulot neomi bi wegi maasa kurom matoni probesong mo subdara bibir kamiu Agidri kam subdara ngalgilam liad ito ngirapukura kadwin ito mangirat mil ol denis ito mamarian ito kamsong masubdara bibir kami umarangal ka kaskasuk Abraham ngiruos tilu Rahel ngirios masubdara bibir kami umarangal ka Morimat Kingsio masharut modrang matinat modrang masubdara bibir kami umarangal ka Mark Mabel manopo ko blaluk ma Elvira Blanc masubdara bibir kami umarangal ka Trongal gila sa wako mabel agim subdrakal Cherlin Basyo Siksay ma chef mabel mo subdra bibir kamiu ma Mason na meet ma chemi na ngata agidire kam subdrakal gila tage sigintol ra makarit kay swalablay ma Joseph Otep Gintol mo subdra bibir kamiu agidire kam subdrakal Ryan Francisco Kamamel top dra subdra tur kal dili klip ane Marisolang Francisco malmeng algem ra ren mar bebiringim lang sumam agidire kam subdra gila gembo genti ra Charlie genti Maletisha genti agidire kam subdra gila mlei ad rimir ragmel ra Robinson rimir masiboy rimir Marufina rimir mo subdra bibir kamiu agidire kam subdra ba crew the may al usa ma dil pa crew Benita Mol magimi Jose ma Alex Cruz agidire kam subdra gila Hens Terbayra di Laila makaon gila Heng Terbayra di Dylan Terbay mo subdra bibir kamiu marangalka Jorang idep Daniel mo subdra bibir kamiu marangalka agidire kam subdra rungul El Herman Omelaw men musukmam Cesaria ma Mercy Saul mo subdra bibir kamiu marangalka agidire kam subdra Rosario Skilang marangalka agidire kam subdra Obaklo Batros Pasilio madil tap Carmen Kip mo subdra adad marangalka rangat tap ime musukmam mertel kamel dili latar agidire sa ito Pelilio agem subdra odalat sa skirmel agemi oyama Sinya Myugi ingol harusing nagid Elmar Ramel Tego Florencio Una Richard Parvinor Ramel Masali Ramel mosubdra bir kamiu marangalga agidire kam subdra gal et Mabel Edeline Mabel mosubdra pipi ngaura ad masep Jesus setsuo mosubdra bir kawe meim talim tang seu agidire kam subdra diras song paskona tele Mahelen Yamada mosubdra ad marangal meim tang seu de sartial al sungul ngal targid Tirgil at mam lo di kalobas ang clear lang klam tela subda ul ada kabal makita ng gre meim talim edas mas meingal targid ras adoy ito maadi busura ngled Tiading amaldil mo mokal gilel sils kumal masulang yari bakal Dios lo makal tanga targid rokuy saen yaat kang itsuaw Tia subdra rakamaldil ras adoy ito ngalgela yaat ito ngirapu ngal targid am los mer sir April 19, 2026 rakamaldil lam lamot roko kalmorngina Saturday May 9, 2026 Malaway siya rungul Donald Haruo rungul Blue River Small Ongetiu da Masius Haruo ongeyim gaybat ngirarigel Klolubak Mark Rubas Argodol Senardo ngira alsaw may budur amador me delegate Warren Umataro am subdra rogul dagaw adarba mayor daw algirel tial sa el ngal targid nung October morra tutawal Saturday May 9 el momong meldira blila kadwin itol ngrap kulatul ngarbeed el moswel bem umdaqrab lilyaw magim subdra adma maragal belu mangalong et espadala ngagil ongalang alquroda rangalgil amli adalbara tablang alyosina ho ubdey rangalgil atitim solang rangalgil isaw rungul ratuloy makodines mataling irangkoil ngalgil angira berso mosudra adad mangal gemin draing seu art magim subdra tamdad meriang Fermin meriang speaker Willard Kumangay Andres Oserda mangalgil angadig seringi raturang mosudra adad mangal Ang iwala gim subdra rangalgela Emiliano Lol rangalgela Marta Obak rangalgela Kiwar Daniel main tkaing seu malagayo ka gim subdra sa Arulyong Teodoro Mulbay mo subdra bibir kamiur ter albula ngaram lungoy gim subdra olingit rangirot tel EMU mada mat Johannes Eur mo subdra adad rangalge main tkaing seu ngat pangagyo olingit rarubiang Hiromina Bayama mo subdra adad rangalge main tkaing seu ay miliga gim subdra idub et pisong giringasis ngira alsaw marangalgilang da alsaw ngira aluy soang oywil marangalgilang seng sa nakamura rangalgila okwak Lobil Marsil ngitel tang Marinor Sengla marangalgila Brunor Iwang kaspusub na main takaing sew ay rayang spadala kautang Blayok o makatar Blayok Dion Wenting Raygalaw Beverly Tewit King Leslie Tewit marangalgila Albert Tang Rirey main takaing sew tel bula oriora gim subdra rangalgila diraklay ko sibar Ambassador Joshua ko siba Maester ko siba mo subdra bebir kamiu agidire kalm subdra ngalgila wenti tong mir emri wenti masyanrang wenti sadang agidire kalm subdra genci genti albino genti agidire kalm subdra ngalgila amner abay olikong katosang mas pesungol ngina aloong rungel mo subdra adad mangal gebim takaing seur ter albula agidire kal spadra ngalgila yaadal ito ngirabu rakadwin ito Dennis ito Marian Marilyn Maleona ito Mary Ann Delamel Brenda Tarimel Loretta Mayer Smul may adribul kani sa alertel albula pelilo agim sudra ngalgila amner ngul rakmel rokobay lindang iratumrang ngalgila adir masyo rungul rangil basul sa dawo Hilaria Amale sa dago chuniosi merirey mautlat sa skifrencio marbek dagawad mangal gemin tang seur ter albula kidire kam sudra Thomas Fenigan ginarigel Shari Maharlan Nicholas ngalgila amle mangalil ayama matom to da Lawrence katbangang mosudra ngal gemin tang seur ter albula Ngayong spadala deligat Mario Culiber, tadib Angel Sali, rot guyuda Sisuko Sali, nangaligilam ni Adamasep Setsuo, Adalbay Jackson Henry, nangaligilam ni Bibuel Abeliano Susugi, Makiapten Benito Thomas, mosubdra ada de min kaingisew. Agimre nga suliw da aira rasil sa kamdil, abulakat sa biulme edwum edolomol mlalat karang nungu. Adios lom kaltanga tergid. Sain rungul danal haruho. Tia sudra ko dal top dringa nginagid el chong inamur ngir ongor rigim ol diragid el martang inamu bilsmau ane mari sambal madili klep simakom draisau mo. At targidra Mercedes Sechedui ito amlos mer mabadingil ang ramor ge motor ka kla kamildilel moringira May 9, 2026 el Sabado el Sils motor dra funeral home ra 7 dori ara tutaw el morabli la taringira gadwin itol nga ngarbe de mga mildil mosuel bra 12 PM. Todo el murafisarista que emerald murabliliol moto abrablil ngarangit irur el tal sigang emurolgul. Magiolingit mosudra komiul dagaw adal adra babaldao orior mayolda mosudra adat marangal ke meim dagaing seu. Ngaralong expadla ngira esebres prani Salvador ebil esebres warang ulit. Ngaralong expadla tu urgazu siro andru siro dililaw lidiang diablos mosudra adat marangal ka emimlel mosudra bibirgaw meim dagaing seu. Artmang spadala mara otoay malwalar uluda, ngiwaling spadala ngira iderbay masasingi arurang, iblug churumang ngirmang, ebira iderbay, prangi masami mosudra adad marangal ka. Malgayong spadala raklay baong ngirmang, sibong mira mosudra adad marangal ka. Maramlungwing spadala idalungod bungulong tablak, madir melong ebil tablak, ngakal ngira ngidal chong ngira muram sudra ngir turong chen Sugiyama, mosudra adad marangal gamin nakaingisew. Orioring spadala Gloria Masami, Sofia Masami Sid, Shelby Masami, Dirat Matpap Sadaria Fritz, Juliet Ri, Flora Tewid, Serelina Botaridep, Chorang Ridep, Mihaina Gosiba, Diliklep Simakom Raisaw, Dil Pokriw Benedictam Ol, Dil Sob de Peloy, Badabay Sadang, Kuya Blelay Anastasio, Kyoko Solang, Enita et Pisong, Tareng Bidamay, Uelbil Tarmaw Isak Nirmang, Masako en Sadang, Marilyn Ngiraydong Iyar, Madeline Ngiraydong King, Marao Singits, Dilikleb ane Marisolang Francisco, Diana Smaw, Kyoko Tengeluk, Ngeradok Teruo, Lati Sasawo, Blue Ongil, Johaina Sadao, Albinada Albay, Maria Terusi, Aileen Solang, Rosalitang Walgenti, Mengal Demay, Diraroyce Rosemary Gib, Ibu Tomoichi, Serafina Mitaro, Jennifer Ngwal, Ilengay El Ngwal, Lucien Oligong Marbibirengay, Carla Esadang, Ambassador Dilmay Olgril, Lisa Abraham, Rangel Ubad Mae, Sabet Masayoshi, Maria Otto, Erur Ito, Malturradala Mimim Dagaingiseu, Mary Besong, Trisha Henry Lewis, Joyce Antonio, Clara Sawat, Ana Berli Madris, Isum Arda Ngirairik, Malisa Madris, Elvira Blanc, Edna Mabel, Edeline Mabel, Ethiopia Mabel, Jacinta Ri, Mosudra Birgao, Maria Santos, Marangalgila Hideom Toda Madira Sway, Regina, Riz Oligong Chunewo. Ruktamao Lingspadal Agustin Masayos, Fred Tengeluk, Pakriur Bab, The May Usa, Tewong do el baliong raidong aribuk kel chibasang ri dialul rumong itpik James ngina adeng o bakramiun chak ngina sang ira along rengel Dwight Masami Kabinor Mais Robert Tasking Ramur Vince Agiwo Benedict Ratur inabot kel Glenn Siang ngikleb ngina tao ngwal Steve Tomoichi Robert Kel Matt Temi Mitaro Reynold Mol ngasi sobel larulukot oligong Edwin Tomoichi Kararamyo Columbus Sakuma Swingli Zero Joseph Limad Johannes Merar, Umang Demay, Allen Suzuki Marbibiringi, Wilfred William, Armstrong Chang Allen Gangit, Edburg Mabel, Ngaskasuk Che Ogada, Maltura del Mio Mega Marbibiringaw Mindagaingiseu, Brandon Bauso Inamur Mailangalang Ililaw, Maltura del Mio Mindagaingiseu, Bruce Amaley, Esli Amaley, Gadwin Ito, Mosubdar Birgaw, Mindagaingiseu. Pelilio ang Spadal o Ob Herman, Ponciana Sambal, o Adratelbo del Mayumi Sinozuka, Dir Oil, Churi Napoleon, Brenda Weiner, Irul Ngirsang, Idalat, Erigo Malone, Ngarablun Tarurang, Barbara Solang, Elbil Hilaria Ichiro, Olsing Iyagar, Adargoroy Bostor Ramlig, Idalat Roman Ridep, Fenem Toda, Leslie Tormdib Ridep, Hilbert Ridep, Pingalang Ulas, Kadwin Sasao, Evangelist Teru, Ngwal, Magent Ngiramur. Umalmsulang Rogoy, Mdibod Kaswes Selsil, sa Targid na Mercedes, sa duy ito, Madios Lobanggit. Sa ay na ginagid al chow ngiramur. Tia tukubat sa spadila diragid al martam toda. Tia sudol toda nga diragid al martam toda ngiramur. Alangalgil amle diragid al kapsang loodal amle ginagid al ridep. Akpasubdor kamiyul ngalgil al ridep. Mak masubod ramil ngalgela ngalit ridep ngalgela amal iyang the ngalgela qadalat ngalgela del bot ba ngalgela dil boy ngalgela qalbid marangalgela ki kugo ridep ngirangas diregal spedek ngal diragi del martang ngiramur amor trigal adadramiuns mak masubod ngalgela abarek marangalgela way marangalgela igalaw ay diregal lingit ramil el dalala ridep rangarsula mamim dangingsew el mesat tel qamal dilala Sechedui el ngalgela ridep Omal msulang edibo da Sweser Celsius ma Dios lo bangeth rogui. Sa na diragid martangin amur. Tia subra godal todringa roman rideb kadwin ito chorang rideb pota rideb pascuana rideb susugi. El msubra kamil da kawadra babaldab orior meoldab. El kmotargid la Sechedui ito am los meses April 19, 2026 ma banding lang amor game la motrok la kamaldilel el morngina Saturday May 9, 2026. Probably la kadwin ito ngaratul ngarbeedro orior. Mga maldil material sil sem utod murabililyon multab rabil ngarang itirur auriuleng morolgol. Agim subdra at mamra galbelu mga long agim subdra ibudur alay Robert Tuti ebir alay Mari Aro mo subdra adad marangal ge meim da alim bertaqadaqing sew. Mga agim subdra tiyang der mo subdra birgaw meim da qing sew. Ang ratma agim subdra ngalgil obaqrairur bio the may obaqrairur mo subdra ru alle meim da qing sew. Karam nungwe game subdra ngir turong chan Sugiyama ma odalad mo subdra ada de meim dali med kaing sew. Nagidire kalam subdra ngira dilub at tamiri mang saw junior mau elbili lo lang ramang saw. Mo subdra ada de meim dali med kaing sew ter elbula. At pangagim subdra Valentino masyo al mo subdra bibir kaw meim kaing sew. Arsula game subdra abagar mo usid ni HC ma ebil ramo mo subdra ada mangal ge da meim dali med kaing sew ter elbula. Agidire kalam subdra ngalgela ay de role Rangalgel Olblay Vince Oligong Wilson Olblay Madebora Tirso Marangalgel Aitir Francisco Rangalgel Abedor Vince Odray Toshia Kildermens Agigosong niya mama masaw Bedor Agidire kalmsubdra rangalgel Aimeng Radiras Imleya Omgatar Ramoto Agidire kalmsubdra rangalgel Esuroy Obiang Ramarsiana Obiang Iluy Agidire kalmsubdra rangalgel Hana Akong Inaibu Raw Elbil Hilaria en Ichiro Mamasa ko en Sadang Idre kalm subdra ngalgila tori biong dumdem kara chungi ranguli sawo masubdra birgaw. Aw sisul subda mora ngalgila ngilang silu aw radirat ngir rose masubda maklama tulik ka chak ng sang agidre kalm subdra ngalgila medil sapsis kukong etibe kara ngirable isak sakuray mangina sokos cherom sakuray maodri rachila ramsik ong idoble maansel masakuray ngir meril barangalgila kapokol rachino kapokol sara kapokol maaldok kapokol. Agidire kalm subdra ngalgila tage kong irairik raisum igirairik la agidire kalm subdra ngalgila togi wo sumang ra frank sumang machedi sumang maltura dal mye main kaing sew agidire kalo sisul subdra ngalgila dilboy ridep Suzuki ra Pascuana Suzuki maalen Suzuki ma Alex Suzuki o sisul subdra ngalgila medil sapsis o kalat ridep ito rakadwin ito maleona ito pit ito amori adwin ngilailamsang ma error ito Paliliwag im subdra ngiragid el madiragid el mosubdra adad marangal gemein kaing sew. Agidire kalm subdra adil abo oil achuri Napoleon mosubdra adad marangal gemein kaing sew. Agidire kalm subdra asbaw amalay mosubdra adad marangal gemein kaing sew. Agim subdra ngalgilam nelo ang skusuki betoy right pick James ngina adeng manansi en ngirarigel maoop ngira adeng. Rangalgila obantir sambal rami hayna kosiba animari sambal ponsiana sambal maisak sambal Ngas pasu de main kaing sew. Rangalgela ubay u ermas ratio finaraksid. Rangalgela sami oral rasusaw o lebu marbibirgaw. Ediri kalm subdra rangalgela amlelo amal iyang rideb ra umudib rideb. Ba Erico Smith. Ediri kalm subdra rangalgela amlelo o keipo rideb ra ilen mangotel marbibirtir. Ediri kalm subdra rangalgela amledil sapsis kelbid rideb ra roman rideb. Mo subdra bibirgaw marangalga. Carol nginaidis marangalgem. Marangalgela chons rideb ra rose ngirak maela rideb. Agidire kalm subdra ngalgila to simira ifimia ridep ma osisulso damra ngalgila delbot baridep ra olsing igar bangalgil rakar la makini kar edire kalm subda Ramirsi James mangalgila Randy Castro ma Isabel Castro agidire kalm subdra ngalgila madal mobile ra obirir ay ko mukay mangalgil madra lilay leoring na muay mangalgil amle obirir ay ko Martin ra chulita blibay marbebiringi Agidire kalm subdra ngalgila inglong ngiray blay ra Grace ngobuo malordes kemasang parangalgila yugi ko inglong ra unar kamel Gerfin tolngi Kelly tolngi Kelvin ramel madire ngalgila mlew Elsias Masaru inglong ra Madeline Lemlin Mamarson Tidikalo si sulsub da marangalgela ngil basul sa tao madil masyora Faustina da albay marbibitir. Barangalgela ngits madaris ra alen marbibiringi. Ya toko bet si spadan marangalgela mledilo ermangiruos ra ngas kasuk Abraham giruyos mosub da bibir kami mim da ngiseu. Ngidil adman no dia labas ang klel tial sub da gyolngit mim da alim da ngiseu tial ulbong el sungul has adui itol ma adibusula drongled. Omal msulang adios lom kaltangater gidroguy. Sain Roman Rideb.
Tial subdel muller rengstrengi adiagal spedel madiagal tigingel malub engul desuel adias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul topdengi haraorngi ko mal msulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PTST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngerdubech Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube.
WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
The president stands his ground on Lisa Brady, Fox News, calling the conflict with Iran a little detour during a White House small business summit.
Can't let them have a nuclear weapon or you'd have problems like nobody would believe. And it's going very well.
President Trump also says oil prices aren't nearly as high as some expected and will decline rapidly.
And I see it going down very substantially when this is over.
As for when it will be over, not offering a specific timeline, the U.S. continues a blockade of Iranian ports and now is also offering to help guide stranded ships through the Strait of Hormuz with Project Freedom, opening an enhanced security lane for shipping, though it's not a direct military escort. Still, Iran considers that a ceasefire violation, but the UAE accusing Iran of violations after intercepting multiple Iranian missiles.
So we've heard explosions in the distance throughout the evening.
Fox's Lucas Tomlinson in Dubai. The U.S. military says Iran also fired on ships.
From the commander of U.S. Central Command. Admiral Brad Cooper says U.S. warships and commercial ships came under missile attack earlier while transiting the Strait of Hormuz, and Apache gunships and MH-60 Seahawk helicopters were dispatched to destroy 6 Iranian small boats.
The U.S. military rejecting an Iranian claim that a U.S. warship was hit. Just getting word of a brief lockdown at the White House during the president's event this afternoon as police were investigating a shooting near the Washington Monument. The Secret Service says a person was shot by police. No details yet on the circumstances. Earlier, a federal judge apologizing to a suspected attempted Trump assassin over concern for his rights.
Judge Zia Farrakwi apologized to suspect Cole Allen for the treatment he's received so far while he's been behind bars. He's been put on suicide watch by the Department of Corrections, and the judge was asking why.
Fox's Mike Emanuel, the judge denied a motion to cancel the hearing after the defense said Allen was no longer in solitary confinement. America is listening to Fox News. The U.S. Supreme Court restores broad access for an abortion pill, at least for now.
Justice Samuel Alito issued the order that will allow access to the drug mifepristone by mail or by pharmacy pickup. A doctor's visit is also not required to get the pill. The Alito order temporarily reverses a 5th U.S. Circuit Appeals Court ruling that restricted availability of mifepristone, which has been used in a majority of U.S. abortions since the overturn of Roe v. Wade in 2022. The High Court order will be in effect for a week, while both sides in the case Louisiana versus U.S. FDA respond. The ACLU called the order a positive short-term step, asking the court to put an end to the attack on reproductive freedom.
Fox's Gernal Scott. Just getting word, actors Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni agreed to end their long legal battle over production of their 2024 film It Ends With Us. The two sides reaching a deal ahead of a planned trial over Lively's claimed Baldoni conspired to preemptively destroy her reputation after she privately accused him of sexual harassment on the set. A pop star pleads guilty to a lesser count in a California DUI case.
Britney Spears entered a guilty plea through her lawyer in a California court, a move that will allow the pop star to avoid jail time after prosecutors accused her of driving under the influence of alcohol and drugs. The 44-year-old did not appear in court, but her attorney agreed to what's commonly called a wet, reckless plea deal. That means she'll face 1 year probation, a required DUI class, and state-mandated fines. The misdemeanor plea offer is common for defendants who show efforts to address their issues, as Spears did when she voluntarily checked into a substance abuse treatment center in April. She was arrested March 4th after being pulled over for driving erratically on U.S. Highway 101. Michelle Polino, Fox News.
A sell-off on Wall Street, the Dow falling 557, back under 49K. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.